Hi, this is Dave from Pneumatic Equipment. Just demonstrating a Kiriu Japanese turret lathe that we got for sale. Okay, so I'll just get the machine going. So it's got forward and reverse, and you can reverse the machine if you want to tap or something like that, I guess. So using that button. Okay. The other feature of this machine is you can change speeds at any time while the machine's running. So these levers here operate the different speeds. You can see that's that, and this one as well. That's pretty much the flat out speed. Okay. I'll just stop the machine. It's got a high and low ratio as well, so just stop it. Okay. So this is like your very slow speeds. The principle still applies. Okay. Okay. Now I'll just demonstrate the feed. So the turret and the cross slide also, and saddle has feed on it. So I'll just engage the feed, so you can see the handle's working. And to drop that out, there's a little lever there, it just drops it out. And again, that's the transverse on the saddle. It drops it out. I think it needs a little bit of adjustment. That seems to, seems to sort of over travel a little bit. And so that's the cross slide. And again, I think something's a little bit sticky in there, but you can just grab the handles and stop it. Okay, so next thing I'll just show you I'll just wind this forwards. I'll just index the turret. So that was all working. Oops. Okay, and obviously that's all adjustable by dogs and things up this end. Okay. Alright, so I believe that's it.